Hi everyone, I'm Robyn from Cheshire Wildlife Trust. Some of you might recognise me from our Nature Tots sessions in the woods. We can't go to the woods at the moment, so welcome to my garden. So we're going to be playing a few games over the next few weeks, so we hope you can join in. Now, can you remember who's in my bag? This is my special friend who loves to come and play out in the woods with you. Here he is, it's Sammy Squirrel. Hi everybody. Hello. Hi everyone. Oh, he's so pleased to see you. There he is. Okay. Now, if you've been to Nature Tots, you will know that Sammy's favourite game is called 1, 2, 3, Where Are You? And it's a little bit like hide and seek in the woods, but we're going to play it in my garden because that's where Sammy's friends are all hiding today. So are you going to join in? Shall we see if we can find Sammy's friends? Brilliant. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to shout with Sammy. 1, 2, 3, where are you?
1, 2, 3, I'm over here.
Oh, did you hear that little voice, Sammy? Let's go and see who we can find. Okay, let's go this way. See who we can see. So let's shout again, everybody. 1, 2, 3, where are you?
1, 2, 3, I'm over here.
Oh, is everyone using their ears and their eyes? Can anyone see anybody in this bush here? Oh, can anybody see Mr. Owl? I can see Mr. Owl. Can you see him, Sammy? There he is. We found you. There's Mr. Owl sitting on a post. Brilliant. We found Mr. Owl. There he is. Excellent. Okay, let's see if we can find somebody else. 1, 2, 3, where are you?
1, 2, 3, I'm over here.
Oh, shall we listen? Did we hear any voices? Are there any other of Sammy's friends hiding down here? I can see a little nose. Whose is that little nose down there? Can anyone else see? Is it Bunny? I think it is. Come out, Bunny. Here's Bunny hiding in his little hole. Hi everybody. Hi. Excellent. So now we've got Mr. Owl and Bunny. Let's go and see who else we can find. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, where are you?
1, 2, 3, I'm over here.
I heard some voices this way. Let's see who's up here, hiding in the bracken. Can you see? It looks like he's jumping over a stick. Who's that with the ears sticking up? Can you see? Who is it hiding down here? It's Freddy Fox. Hi Freddy. It's Freddy Fox. Are you coming to play, Freddy? He's coming to play. Brilliant. Hi. Oh look, a nice hug. Right, let's take Freddy. We've got Freddy, Bunny and Mr. Owl. Is there anybody left? Let's shout again. 1, 2, 3, where are you?
1, 2, 3, I'm over here.
Okay, which of your friends are left, Sammy? Can anybody see anyone else hiding down here? Can you see anybody? Should we shout again? 1, 2, 3, where are you?
1, 2, 3, I'm over here.
Oh, I think I can see one of our little prickly friends down here. Here he is. It's Horace. Horace the hedgehog. Hi Horace. It's so good to see you again. Excellent. Well done. Look, we're collecting all these friends. Who's left? Let's go and have a look. Let's shout again, everybody. 1, 2, 3, where are you?
1, 2, 3, I'm over here.
Oh, I heard a little voice. It was a little tiny voice this time. I think we're going to have to look really carefully to see who's down here sliding along this stick. Who's it going to be? Hello? Can anybody see down here? He's quite small, this friend is. What's his name? This is Simon. Simon Snail. Hi. Hi everybody. It's Simon Snail. Excellent. Right. Brilliant. Is that all your friends, Sammy? Oh no, there's one more. There's one more friend to find. Oh, we've got lots of friends to carry now, haven't we? Okay, everybody shout with me. 1, 2, 3, where are you?
1, 2, 3, I'm over here.
Oh, that's a really little squeaky voice. Who has a squeaky voice? Let's have a little look. I think it came from round here. Can anybody spot a little creature? Anybody see? Let's shout again. 1, 2, 3, where are you?
1, 2, 3, I'm over here.
Oh, that's a little squeaky voice. It sounds like it come from a mouse. No, is Mouse hiding down here? Look, there he is, hiding in his little hole by the wall. That's a good place for Mouse to hide, isn't it? Bunny's fallen over. Here we go. Hi, Mouse. Here's Mouse. Brilliant. Excellent. So have we got everybody now? Yes, that's all Sammy's friends found. Brilliant. Let's put you all down here. So we found Mouse. And we found Bunny. And we found Horace, Hedgehog. And whoop, we found Simon Snail. And we found Freddy Fox. And who was last? And we found Mr. Owl. There we are, that's all your friends. That was a great game, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, where are you? Maybe you can play that at your house with some of your toys, or your brothers or sisters, or your mum and dad. You could play it in your garden, or you could even play it all around your house and find different places to hide. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. See you next time. Bye.